Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Priyanka and today in this video I'm going to show you some of the tips which will really help you to make your eyeliner work. Even if you go wrong, I'm going to show you some of the correction tips which really helps me and it will definitely help you. So yeah, if you're interested, keep watching and let's get started. So get ready and bring these two things. First your gel eyeliner and second any pointed brush like this. The first struggle is to find where to start your wing, right? So this is our gel eyeliner. Take it in your brush, then clean it off in the bottle. Okay, now we have little bit of pigment here. So wherever you see this joint, your eye joint, start from there. This where your brow bone is ending. From there, just draw a little bit of line, small line. No need to go all in. Okay, so once we have this corner defined, bring it from here, like somewhere where your eyeball is ending. You have to start from there. Fill it in like this, top it up so that we have proper pigment there. Okay, now we have the corner. We will define it, don't worry. Let's go slightly inwards as well, towards your inner corner. Once you've got this, you need to work on your second eye before defining it. Okay, so let's do that again, repeating the same steps. Okay, now I'm using a concealer brush to create a sharp edge here. Like this, you can spread the concealer and then use a sponge. So now we have this side thicker and this side leaner, so I'm going to show you how we can make this little bit less, because making this bold is obviously easy. What I want to show you is how you can bring this to the level of this. So yeah, let's do that. First you have to ensure that the side which you're trying to minimize or make it less bolder has to be completely dried out. Don't ever smudge or try to clean your eyeliner when it's wet. So now it has been some time and it's completely dry, right? So we can go with our correction. Now there are two options again. You can use micellar water with an earbud or you can use a wet wipe. Today I'm going to use wet wipe to make it equal to this one. And let's try to make it even now. I think we are good. And you see, if it's dried out, this is how your eyeliner will break. So concealer also helps when you're trying to correct it because you have a solid base on your eyelid area. Okay. So you see, making your eyeliner work, making it bolder, making it leaner, clear your eyeliner completely. All this can just work if you have the right tips and tools. And I hope this video helped you to understand that. If it did, then please subscribe to my channel or you can let me know in comments. Yeah, that's it. I hope to see you soon, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.